Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to take a look at the Move tool and why it's something you should really explore and learn how to use. Because once you learn and understand the Move tool, it will help you be extremely efficient in Maya. Now let's take a look at how to manipulate objects through moving, rotating, and scaling them. We're going to start off with the Move tool. Now the Move tool can be found here, in the toolbox, and the hotkey for that is the letter W. Now before we move any further, I do want to show you some very important hotkeys for Maya that I hope you will find useful. Now we learned that the letter Q activates the Select tool. And that's in the top left-hand corner of the keyboard. Right next to that is the W key, which activates the Move tool. Next to that is E, which is rotate, and R, which is scale. So these four keys, Q, W, E, and R, activate some of the most important tools in Maya, and they're grouped together on the keyboard to make it very easy to access. So when you start moving, rotating, and scaling objects, go ahead and start using these hotkeys. You'll find them very valuable. Now let's take a look at the Move tool. I'm going to activate it. The Move tool can be used as a selection tool, so if I have the Move tool activated, I can left-click on any object to select it. And this works exactly the same as the Select tool. So if I wanted to, I could Shift plus Select to either select or deselect multiple objects. I could also marquee select to select multiple objects as well, and when I do, the Move tool is activated. So I'm just going to select one of these cups and we have the Move tool activated. Now this tool has what's called a gizmo. Now that gizmo just allows you to control how the tool works. So we've got these three arrows, which are red, green, and blue for the X, Y, and Z axis. We also have these little squares here, which allow us to move along 2 dimensions. So if I were to select one of the arrows, I could move that along the X axis, the Z axis, or the Y axis, which is up and down. Now if I select one of these 2D icons, such as this green one, I can move it along a plane, which in this case is the floor. Or if I select this one here, I can move it along a plane that is parallel to the Z axis, which is colored blue. Now I can also select the middle of this, and move it, but since I'm in a perspective view, it's kind of hard to tell exactly where I'm moving my object. And so when I'm in perspective, I tend to stick to the 1 and the 2-dimensional controls, so in other words the little boxes or the arrows. Now if you're in an orthographic tool it's a little bit different, so I'm going to tap on my spacebar, switch out to my orthographic views, hover over the top view, and tap my spacebar again. So now I'm in a 2-dimensional view, and when I click on the middle there, I will only move along the 2 dimensions of that view. So I could either click on this, or I could click here and they would be pretty much the same. Now the Move tool also does work with multiple objects. So if I Shift plus select multiple objects, I can move them as well. So, we can use the Move tool to select and rearrange whatever we want in our scene. So go ahead and practice the Move tool and get used to it. We hope you will like it. Let us know your opinion. If you have any questions then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.